Okay, this video is on how to replace the inner hub. So you first unscrew the screws on the wheel. Okay, and you remove the wheel cover. And remove the wheel. Okay, remove the nut. And this is the bearing cover. Okay, so hammer the truck. So the bearing cover came off, and this is the motor piece. Okay, so this is the new bearing cover, which is also the inner hub. Put it back in to the motor. Okay, put the wire pipe back. Put it back into the axle or the truck. Right, so now it's back in. Put the wheel. You put the wheel back into the motor. And then reinstall the wheel cover and put the screws back.